Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing a brand new Soap and Glory deal. This is incredible. It is so good. I literally have so much to do today and instead I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna film. I'm gonna film. Anyway, this is the Wind Down Wonder Set. It's absolutely incredible. It's worth £90, but it's being sold for 45, only for a limited period. So if you want it, now is the time to buy. And I'm just gonna show it to you. You know, and you're like, I'm gonna get in there, I'm gonna show you what's inside because it's absolutely incredible. Also, can we just talk about the case? It's so good, it's so cute. It's pink, it's velvet, and it's really nice quality. And I know that I'm actually going to use it like for a long time. Anyway, let's unbox and show. So the first thing that we get is this sleep mask. It's handy for flights, handy for bedtime. I don't know, it's just handy to like look chic in the morning, you know? But yeah, these are really handy. I love them for flights. So that's the first thing, but now I'm gonna get into the products. There's so much good stuff in here, honestly. It's got like everything you want in and in giant sizes. So I'm just gonna go for the first thing I pull out. This is Heel Genius. I love this stuff. Do you know what? This stuff is so good that I gave a tube to my dad because he had really sore, dry heels. And I was like, ignore the smell, it's really good. And he was like, I really like that pink stuff. And I was like, that's Soap and Glory. And I did not expect you, my 70-year-old father, to love it. Anyway, a nice big tube. It's really, really good. And then what else have we got? Hand food, great hand cream. Really good value, really good hand cream. Love it. And it's in the original pink scent, so it smells delightful. I can smell it already and nothing's leaked. It's just so good. Anyway, next thing that we've got is the Face Soap and Clarity Vitamin C Facial Wash, 350 mils. That's so big. It's so big. It's like bigger than my head. And then we have a pair of socks and I was a bit confused at first. And then I realized, oh, the socks are to put on over your Heel Genius. Isn't that good? But these are really nice, thick quality. Like, they're lovely. They're really nice. So I'm quite excited about them. And then we have a bath bomb, original pink. Smells so good. Oh, I love original pink. You know when you're like, after all these years, still not bored of it. Anyway, next we have a sheet masky thingy for your eyes. Always handy, especially when you have a toddler. So that's the first bag, and then we have more because it's all stored in these very cute little bags. I really like the way they've presented it. I don't know why, there's just something really pleasing about these bags. Anyway, let's dig in. So in this bag we have the Righteous Butter Body Butter. Love this stuff. 300 mils. 300 mils of the good stuff. Obsessed. And then we have the Bath and Body Oil. I have never used this. I'm excited to try it. I'm guessing that you put it in the bath or on your body. I don't know. I'm gonna look into it. How do I use it? I don't know. Put onto skin or swirl into a warm bath. I'm gonna do that. I'm excited. I'm excited. I hope it smells pink. You know what I mean? Like, I hope it smells pink. Anyway, the next item that we have is Clean On Me. Obsessed. I went through a phase of like 3 years of not using anything but this stuff. I love it. It's so good. And this is a humdinger of a bottle, 500 mils big. Love that. And then we have Scrub of Your Life, always essential, so good, 200 mils. Thank you very much. Whew, we're nearly at the end, I promise. And then we have the Bright and Beautiful biodegradable face mask, amazing. And then the final thing, I'm gonna linger on this a bit longer because it's so good. I've never seen this before. Like, I think this is so beautiful. They now do candles. They've got a few different candles to pick from. I think there's one called Berry and Bright that smells amazing. But then they have this one, and this I think is only available in this set. I might be wrong, but it's so pretty. Look at this. Doesn't that look like a designy kind of candle that you would pay a lot for? But like, it's in this package, like it's just no biggie. It smells so good. It does smell like original pink. Oh, it smells so good. And you know when you're like, it looks really good, like that's a really good looking candle. I love it. I think it's so fun. And I just love the fact that they just put it in. It's so good. But anyway, that's the entire thing. I tried to whiz through it really quickly. I know that you probably all know Soap and Glory products already, so I have tried not to linger too long on each product because I feel like you don't need a review. You just want to know what's inside. But I love this candle. It's so good. I can't wait to get burning it. I just think it's so pretty. I think it's so fun. And I love the fact that they're now doing candles. Like, I feel like we need that in our lives. Anyway, that is the bundle. I hope you like it. It's meant to be £90. It's being sold for 45. I think it's absolutely incredible. I love it. Incredible Christmas gift, incredible gift for yourself. Or do you know what? Like, buy it and like keep some for yourself and like give some bits away, because like this would make an incredible stocking filler, like if you could part with it. Or like you could bundle up like 2 or 3 things, like the hand food and the heel cream, you could put those 2 together, or you could put like body wash and body scrub together. Like, I don't know, you could just make a kind of a couple of gifts from it and then keep some items for yourself too. I love it. I think it's incredible, so I thought I would share it. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.